What is up, guys? Guess what we got today? Yep, more car parts. Let me just get into the garage here. So you saw some of these last time. All the exterior pieces. Set them aside. This is the new box right here. Let me show you guys what we got. What do you think? It's a steering wheel. I'll show you guys in a little bit. And then the carbon fiber trim. Today we're gonna be installing the steering wheel trim, and the DCT shifter trim. They're all carbon, and the steering wheels will with leather and Alcantara. So let's hop right into it by removing the steering wheel. First things first, gotta remove the battery so the airbag doesn't blow up in my face. Got the trunk open here. Remove the cover on the right. Just gotta get the tool for it. Be right back. So this right here is a 10 millimeter. Make it loose. Should be good. Remove this without shocking yourself. That's done. We'll leave that there. Now the hard part is getting this thing off by myself. Now I gotta take the airbag off. There's a hole here and a hole somewhere here. Same concept. Gotta push something in there to get it out. A flathead is best if you can get one. Now that I got it loose, just gotta disconnect. Do that real quick. There you go, it's out. Now this bolt right here, that's really annoying. Gotta have a long breaker bar. I have this, so we'll see how it works. Let's see this. Nope. Got it loose somehow. This should be a lot harder to do. Steering wheel is out. Set that over here. And now while I'm in here, I'm gonna be taking this trim piece off. I think right here. Preferably without breaking it. We'll see what happens. Oh, that was a lot easier than it should be. So I'll take that out real quick. So that's out. We'll be going inside now because it's way too hot out here. And I'll be assembling the rest in there. And then coming back to install it all. So I got this old trim piece here, and here's the new one, a nice deep black Alcantara carbon. Gonna have this button right here, connector. Gotta transfer it over, just 2 little screws. This is the old steering wheel, plastic trim, full Alcantara CS wheel. Here's the new one. This is Alcantara on the side. It's a little thicker and it has the blue stripe on top. And then it comes with this carbon piece and performance. Be a nice touch. So I'll be disassembling everything right now, and then I'll see you guys when it's all disassembled. The button is swapped over. Steering wheel, I haven't done anything yet, but I'm gonna go install this really quickly before I sweat too much. I gotta plug in this sensor. think that's how it sits. Shove it all back in there. And it's done. Not too bad. I don't think I want to have this in carbon. That'd be too much. Like a little bit right here. There's nothing up there. And a little bit on the steering wheel trim. That should be good. Back to the steering wheel. Got this whole mess going on. Old wheel is out. Time to put all this back on the new one. And then I'll show you guys how it looks. Out with the old, in with the new. Let's go install it, boys. Time to bolt it down. It's gonna be pretty annoying putting this back in. Ooh, it's probably 120 degrees in this garage. Bolt is in, pretty easy. Time to connect the connectors. Airbag going in, can't really hold the camera for that. There we go, new steering wheel is in, the trim is in. All nice and updated. Time to put the battery back. Time to electrocute myself. And that's it with the install. Came out pretty nice. And that's pretty much it with the interior parts. We got some exterior parts that's going on. You guys saw it in the last video. That's going on in the next video. And in the video after, I'm doing ceramic coating to this thing. I'm gonna do it myself. I have like the whole kit and everything. And then I also ordered some new wheels. They should be here next week. You'll see it in a couple videos. They're pretty nice wheels. I'm excited for them. Like these ones are pretty nice too. I'm selling these for a couple grand. These are worth a lot. And then I'm installing the new ones. They look pretty similar, so let me know in the comments which ones you guys think those are. And then like the video if you enjoyed the install. And subscribe if you want to see more of this build. Peace out.